First Day of School by Anne Rockwell. When I saw myself in the mirror this morning, I knew why Mom and Dad said I needed a haircut. When I drew a picture of myself with my wild and frizzy hair, Mom and Dad laughed, but Dad still took me to the barbershop. After my haircut, I looked so grown up. Now I look like you, I said to Dad. But you're much more handsome, the barber said with a smile. I asked Dad if we could go to the park. Sure, said Dad. Outside the barber shop, we bumped into Charlie and his dad. Charlie was getting a haircut too. See you later, he said. I hope Charlie is in my class again this year. We're best friends. At the park, I saw Sam, Kate, and Sarah. Wow, your hair is so short, Kate laughed. My hair's not too short, I said. I want to look good on the first day of school. You mean you want to look grown up, said Kate. That's right, I said, and now I do. I bought a new backpack, Kate said. At the mall, there were so many to choose from. I couldn't make up my mind. Then I saw this one, and it was perfect. And it was on sale, which made my mom happy too. Remember our first day of school last year? Sam asked. I sure did. It was scary walking down the long hallway to my classroom. I was so scared, said Sam. But when Mrs. Madoff showed me where to sit, I felt better. That's because you sat next to me, Sarah said. And we were already friends. If you guys think you were scared, you should have seen me, said Sarah. Grandma took me to school early because she's the crossing guard. I was the first kid at school. Only the library was open. I didn't mind waiting there because I found my favorite book. Pablo said, last year I got a new Captain Dynamo t-shirt. Remember that one, Nicholas? I laughed. How could I forget? Pablo and I both wore the same t-shirt on the first day of school. Oh, last year I wore my beautiful white dress, said Evelyn. But it's too short for me. So Maman made me a new one. My new dress is white too, with little pink roses and a shiny pink belt. I can make my own lunch, Jessica said. My mom taught me this summer. I can't wait to use my new Comic Girl lunchbox. Cool, said Pablo and Evelyn. You'll see it tomorrow, Jessica said. I saw Charlie. He had a new haircut and a new backpack. Let's race to the monkey bars, I said. Michiko jumped down when she saw us. I've got new bouncy shoes, Michiko said. My old shoes were too small. Now I can wiggle my toes. I could see all 10 toes wiggling inside her shoes. I tried to wiggle my toes, but I couldn't. Look what I have, said Evan. He showed me a shiny key. Mom can't pick me up this year because she's working. After school, my babysitter and I will stop by your dad's grocery store to say hi and get a snack. Then we will walk home together. I'm big enough to have my own house key, and she has one too. Charlie opened his Bug World backpack. He pulled out 2 notebooks and a new pencil box. Inside was a ruler, colored pencils, and markers. Number 2 pencils and a gum eraser. I hope we're in the same class this year, he said. Me too, I said. But even if we're not, we'll still be friends. Next, we went down the slide. When Dad came over, I told him, my toes hurt. I think my shoes are too small. Dad felt my toes. We need to go shopping, he said. On the way home, we stopped at the shoe store. Guess who was there? Mrs. Madoff. Hi, Nicholas, she said. All set for school? You bet, I said. I can't wait. Neither can I, she said. On the first day of school, I was ready. And best of all, Charlie and I were in the same class.